to action.
Alright, so going into this game, coach, you would have already known that Glenmuir would have gone through. However, you guys went along early and you showed fighting spirit. Is that the type of spirit you want to see going into the second round?
Yeah, that's the type of spirit the school demands, and that's the type of spirit we indoctrinate in our students and our boys. That flagrants you never said that, especially at home or wherever you are. Once you're playing, you have to play, give it your all. At the end of the day, I was pleased to see like both teams really said, okay, we give it our all. And that's what sport is about. You don't want to live with regrets. You prefer give it your best shot. And then you see what happens from there. I think we were excellent right through the game. We just conceded an early goal. But that's fine. We managed to control the game, dictate the rhythm of the game. And in different stanzas, we could raise the tempo until we scored, and then it's about getting the next one and then managing out the game from there. So,
talk to us about the group of death. It's my personal opinion that in most other zones, then they would have probably gone through because they're a good team. Clarendon known to have good team, good football. Again, this is the group of death. Talk to us about maneuvering and coming out of this group.
I don't know about the group of death, but the quality is here for sure. I'm not sure what the result of Central Olava is, but any other four teams in any other group maybe, because I don't want to be condescending to any other group because I'm not there, I don't know, but I think in any other group maybe all four teams have real chances of going through, and for the teams that go through, it's a real platform to start or make a run in the ensuing rounds because they are battles.
So last thing I want to ask you is talk to me a bit about your personal perspective on discipline and camaraderie and sportsmanship. We saw in the second half where a particular tackle was made, and I saw where you call over, you're playing with a sport team, you would have laid down the road. Talk to us about how important camaraderie, sportsmanship is to you.
Well, discipline is important. It's a key attribute in every facet of life, especially on the field. So we are dealing with football here, or we are dealing with student athletes. Discipline is maybe one of the utmost qualities you need because it's not what you want to do, it's what you have to do. So the discipline to be at it every day, with no excuses or you're not sidetracked by anything, you have to be at it. So I think that is good, and I want my team to play hard, I want them to play fair. Because we have to respect the opponents as well. So if I see that something was a slight bit too dangerous, then I'm going to speak out on it. Or if I figure that one of our players never went in hard enough to even protect themselves, then I will talk about it because we want to play hard.
The last question, coach. So after big match this weekend, you would have had the pre-match warm-up and all that. I know you have a post-match countdown to the boys and all that type of thing there. What do you do to go home and kind of relax and to get your mind off of the football, for refresh, and come again for that short period of time because schoolboy football from now until December continues. But how do you relax in the season?
You try to do other things like watch movies, spend time with the family, wife and son.
YouTube.
YouTube. Listen to what military Guna have to say about other things, or what CVM to say other things. Like you watch some football still because I think in the mind of a coach it really shuts off. To be honest, you might have a half an hour or 1 hour period where it's something else occupied by something else, but it doesn't shut off. Plus there are other demands that I have to fulfill as well. So it's a lot, and a lot to take your mind away from the football sometimes. There are avenues they can use to relax, especially movies for me.
Right, favorite movie or TV series?
Favorite movie or TV series? TV series, I like The Blacklist. Yeah. And there's this kind of maybe morbid one. The Man in the High Castle. Yeah, it's on Amazon Prime. You can check it out. But that's it. YouTube vlogs sometimes, because you learn from them sometimes. And a few books now and then. Yeah. Now There's this book by Michael Lombardi, Football the Night, as an American football. So a different perspective, but about leadership and all those things.
All right, thanks very much, coach.
Respect.
All right, young man.
Yeah, man.